Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sketch Sense. All you'll need for this drawing is paper, a pencil, eraser, and a ruler if you would like to use measurements. Remember to start with light pencil lines in case you need to erase or change anything, and try again. Let's get started. So unfortunately, my footage when I was finishing up this drawing got blurry and I was unable to use it. The part that got left out, I was adding darker lines into my drawing. I like to do that to add more value and make it pop on the paper more. Here is an image, a little bit of a clip of the finished product. I also added a little bit of shading on the neck and the collarbone, and a little bit to the eyes and the lower lip. Alright, drawing is complete. Well done. Feel free to use this drawing as a reference and customize it for your own character designs. And please let me know if you have any requests, questions, or feedbacks in the comment section below. And I hope you have a wonderful day.